Join me as I take on the challenge of making my first $1,000 in just 1 month freelancing on Fiverr. Can I pull it off? I'm excited to share with you my personal experience of making $1,000 in my very first month as a freelance coder on Fiverr. And I hope that by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to take action and pursue your own freelancing dreams. When it comes to freelancing, we've all been there, struggling to find clients, figuring out how to price our services, and trying to stand out in a super competitive market. It can be overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. One of the biggest challenges freelancers face is getting their name out there and being seen by potential clients. It's tough to get that initial momentum going, and it's easy to get discouraged when you're not seeing the results you want. Another major hurdle freelancers face is establishing a pricing structure that reflects their value while still being attractive to clients. I mean, how do you put a price on your skills and expertise? It's a delicate balance, and getting it wrong can be costly. And let's not forget about the competition. With so many talented freelancers out there, how do you differentiate yourself and make your services stand out from the crowd? So, how did I overcome these challenges and make $1,000 in my first month on Fiverr? Well, it all started with setting up my profile and making sure it was top-notch. I invested time in crafting a compelling profile description, showcasing my skills and expertise, and making sure my portfolio was up-to-date and relevant to the services I was offering. I also made sure my rates were competitive, but still reflected the value I was bringing to the table. I didn't just stop at setting up my profile, though. I also knew I had to get out there and market my services if I wanted to attract clients. So, I leveraged social media, online communities, and even reached out to friends and family to spread the word about my freelancing business. I also made sure to engage with potential clients, responding promptly to inquiries and providing top-notch customer service from the get-go. One of the pivotal moments that contributed to my success was when I landed my first big client. I remember it like it was yesterday. I had spent hours crafting a pitch that showcased my skills and highlighted the value I could bring to their project. I took a risk and reached out to them directly, and to my surprise, they responded with interest. It was a turning point for me, and it gave me the confidence I needed to keep pushing forward. What made that pitch stand out, you ask? I took the time to research the client, understand their needs, and tailor my pitch accordingly. I didn't just send a generic proposal. I made sure I was speaking directly to them and their specific pain points. That personal touch made all the difference, and it's a strategy I still use to this day. The biggest takeaway from my experience is that perseverance and effective marketing are key to succeeding as a freelance coder on Fiverr. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. And I hope that my story will inspire you to keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your experience been like as a freelancer, and what tips do you have to share with the community? If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on freelancing, coding, and entrepreneurship. I'll catch you in the next